Well, there you have it. We were able to toss an outlet in the wall in a relatively small amount of time, about an hour, as far as not including the trip to the store for the materials, I guess. Certainly isn't how we bill our time if we're being hired, but if you're doing it yourself and you're out getting a few things at the store anyway, there it is. Come down here. We tucked everything back in. Now I will say you want to, what do we got there? Yeah, you want to try and, you go to a bigger box. Don't ever feel like you can go to a double gang or something for a junction box. That's a shallow one, so don't ever feel like you need something so shallow, so small. Bigger is better. You always see this was here already, and we added a circuit to it. So just a nice rule of thumb. But you could cover that with a blind cover, basically no openings in it would be better. That would be better if that had been done there. But we've stapled this stuff out, stapled it over here, stapled it over there. There you go. Merry Christmas and happy holidays. We'll see you.